Do you know the manufacturing and principle of air conditioners? It starts with rolls of copper, condensers used to make air conditioners. Process copper pipes into coils. It can be used to concentrate refrigerants. This machine can open 6 copper pipes at a time, and can pull the roller bracket to untie the kink. Rotating blade. After cutting the copper pipe to a specific length, then you can use the bending machine to take advantage of the copper pipe without paying attention. Bend it 180 degrees in an instant. U-shaped extrusion bending formed in the middle of each copper tube. Exactly like when my boss meets the powerful, deep bent waist. It then releases rolls of thin aluminum, and the rollers feed it into the sequential dies. While the die press moves up and down, we'll push the aluminum sheet further into the die, then quickly stamping the aluminum sheet into a heat sink. Installing an empty coil requires at least 100 heat sinks. The heat sinks will be neatly stacked together after stamping. After stacking to a sufficient amount, you can insert the thin metal column into the hole of the heat sink to keep the heat sinks neatly arranged. At the same time, after installing a steel base, the copper pipe can be accurately inserted according to the hole in the base. The heat sink is part of the pipe network. It is also an important part of the coil. It allows the heat released by the refrigerant to dissipate quickly. Then the metal cylinder is pressed into the copper tube by the press, so that the copper pipe can be expanded to better fit the gap. It's pressed into the coil, and it forms. Then you can put it in a hydraulic press brake. The end of the coil is bent 90 degrees by the bending machine, for better fit when combined with the condenser unit. That's a lot like my boss little brother. Then connect the oven end of the copper pipe with a connector. It needs to be heated and fused with a green flame, so that all copper pipes can be sealed and leak-proof. Made coil before assembly. Air must be pumped first for testing. The compressed air pumped in can be used to simulate refrigerant, so as to test whether there is any air leakage in the coil. After the coil is filled with compressed air, you can soak the whole thing in water. As the coil slowly passes through the water, the boss's relatives will sit outside and observe closely, until it is confirmed that there is no problem with the coil. Then the entire condenser can be assembled. First fix the compressor to the base, then install the coil. Fix the motor and fan at the same time. To cool the refrigerant, then install the drying filter. Filters filter dirt while draining moisture, followed by the compressor and fan motor, and the coils and the control panel. Then connect the water pump to the coil pipe to drain the air. This creates a vacuum inside the coil, so that the refrigerant can be pumped during installation. Finally, close the spare valve. I finished packing in cartons. Air conditioner manufacturing is done. Have you learned in front of the screen? If you want to know what else is made, welcome to leave a message in the comment area of JIAHAO Encyclopedia. You can also like and follow. Speed up video making.